Hello everyone, welcome to this IT service. Once again, this is case number 679. This is the laptop model Spawn 15. So basically, the screen customer bring in with a broken screen. Yeah, on this size. Okay, as you can see, so we managed to replace the screen and now it's done. Okay, just a moment. Look at that brand new LCD. So if you have any case wanted to change the screen or fixing mainboard, any kind of issue, contact us at this IT service. Thank you for this video. See you next time. Bye.